Since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2019, the whole world has changed. The virus proved to be extremely contagious and spread throughout the world, causing numerous cases of illness and death. The consequences of COVID-19 were significant. In many countries, quarantines were imposed, leading to the shutdown of many industries, trade, and travel. Many people lost their jobs, and some businesses were forced to close their doors. However, the pandemic also accelerated the development of remote work and online learning. In addition to the economic consequences, COVID-19 had a significant impact on people's physical and mental health. A large number of people were isolated, leading to increased feelings of loneliness and depression. Many people also began to experience increased stress and anxiety. However, cooperation and assistance between nations and communities around the world helped to fight this pandemic. In many countries, vaccination campaigns were launched, which helped reduce the number of new cases and deaths. Although COVID-19 has had a significant impact on people's lives and the economy, the world is still trying to adapt to these changes and find ways to continue living and growing in these new conditions. Many countries are studying the experience gained during the pandemic and finding new ways to support their communities. As a result, many people are turning to new technologies and online platforms to stay in touch with family and friends, receive education, work, and make purchases. Many companies are shifting to remote work and electronic communication with customers. Finally, COVID-19 has shown how important cooperation and global collaboration are. Many nations have realized that they can be vulnerable to global crises, so it is necessary to work together to address these problems. In conclusion, COVID-19 is a very important topic that continues to affect people's lives around the world. If you want to create a video on this topic, you should focus on the consequences of the pandemic and how people are adapting to the changes.